Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing hardware and software that let you rewrite keys. This is the only way to get true fancy keyboard writing. First, map a dedicated layer for stylistic inputs and assign macros for common flourishes. Once done, create dead key sequences for accents and special glyphs so you type sequences instead of hunting through menus. Make sure to load a font with stylistic alternates because the keyboard can only produce code points. Visual style depends on the font rendering. Next, construct the middle layer where complexity lives: chorded shortcuts, conditional layers, and timed sequences. You assign multi-key chords for common ornate forms and context rules so different apps use different layers. Word processors get ligatures, chat apps get emoji art. Once you implement, test thoroughly. Type long passages, trigger chords rapidly, and watch for missed inputs. Make sure to tune debounce and delays. This fixes false chords and ensures reliability when you type fast or hold keys slightly. Finish by polishing. Consolidate mappings into a single version profile and export defaults for quick recovery. Then optimize responsiveness. Flash firmware with optimized USB polling or lower debounce and adjust macro timing to avoid overlap. Once done, practice the new sequences until they're muscle memory. That's when fancy writing feels natural. If things go wrong, run a simple isolation checklist, disable conflicting apps, load a bare firmware test, and use logging to find which rule misfires. Then fix the single offending mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.